What is it? It's Mercury.
Chevy.
What is a Chevy? Oh, that's why.
Like 53, 54. Like, look at the trunk floor. Like it's actually there.
Jeez. Doors are gone.
Doors are good, but the trunk lid isn't even bent. Funny, yeah.
How do we get to these guys? Oh, there we go. They're just on the bird and rolling down the hill. Wow.
You could make a suite with that rod. Flathead V8 in this one. So that's got to be a Ford. This looks like either a Dodge or a Chevy. This is like a Ford two-door.
They didn't realize what they had.
No.
There's some trunks and some door and some hoods that we need.
Oh, this is a seatbelt.
Yeah, be careful. Something here is really flat. Jeez. I don't want to get covered in burrs. Wow. This looks like a truck. No?
No, he's got two doors here, so it's not a car. There's a trunk lid.
Why? Oh, there, yeah. Jeez.
These cars were actually built with wood frames, and then I want a good roof, I want good doors, wood and a trunk lid. This would be savable.
This guy here too looks pretty neat.
Got the frame. The roof is not the greatest.
Oh, what are you over there? There's a couple over here.
No hood.
There's a hood here. No, it's a trunk.
Get a trunk for that.
Trunk for that one, yeah, right there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they keep going, Jeremy. Look at this old guy. Oh, shoot, look. They keep going.
Oh man. Oh, there's a huge stack of them in there. Hey, this cab actually looks alright.
Nice truck cab.
The doors look good.
The only thing is getting it out. But that would be the adventure.
No floor.
Oh, that's it. Easy.
But like, look at the roof. The roof isn't bad at all. It's fat. This is
Look at the door pin. Just used a nail.
giant.
That would be a cool thing to leave.
Rat rod.
Yeah.
I like that actually. That would be a nice rat rod hood or cab.
I can't believe how far these things go into here.
This thing's got the roof cut off. I bet you they used the roof on something else. Oh, this is just half a car.
It's old though.
See if it had. Look at these cars, eh? They built them out of wood. So this is all wood in here. See that?
Yep.
Wood. And then they just had the tin go around it. This piece would be like 60 for a rat rod. Ow.
Wow.
Stepping on stuff, I can feel it when I'm walking.
That one's cut. The roof's cut off that too.
This one looks alright.
Yeah, me too. I've been peeling them off.
Okay, this one has fenders.
Oh yeah. The hardest one to get out.
Roof's pretty bad. See, there was one the guy was selling, it was like this kind of car. It looked just like this, And it had, what did it have? It was in good shape, good glass, good doors, everything. And it was like $1,200 he wanted for it. Like, just put a motor and transmission in it. No trunk. Like this, like some of these are pretty complete.
It didn't look like there was this here when we pulled up, did there?
No. This is almost a sink. I don't think you know how many there are.
Jeez.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I think. Like I'm on top of
A lot of body work that needs doing though.
oh yeah, these would be beyond
That's too bad, eh?
fixing.
So this guy obviously used to strip them maybe. Wow.
I love the big old.
What is that?
Good? I don't even know.
It's so tough to know when they're all
Upside down and mangled.
like, what's underneath here? That thing even looks nice.
I thought so. It looked pretty. Thought from your angle it looked nice, but from up here I'm not sure if I'm looking at the same one. It looked. Ooh.
Wow.
These grills. This would take a lot of work to get these everything. You need a hoe.
My crane would do it. Like if I drove up to this edge, you could just slowly pick them out. But would they be worth anything?
No.
Like even scrap, there's not a lot of weight. They've taken the engines out.
Yeah.
This guy right here would be easy to get at though. Even that truck cab you're looking at, like you could just take a chainsaw and take all the little stuff out and then fish it between out to here and then get.
That would be cool. Need a frame to put it on though.
Like I just don't understand what they were doing.
Looks like a sedan.
Nothing in the barn. Oh shoot. There's a wire in there.
Ford?
Deluxe. That
Good
truck looks
tree
nice.
leaf.
Yeah,
Through the trunk and it's around both parts.
no kidding.
I think it's kind of.
Check out this truck. Look at the bull. This is the rat rod you need. Look at the bullet holes.
Yeah.
Look at the grill.
Yeah, that would be a cool rat rod.
What do we got? Studebaker. I'm gonna get. It would be fun to try and get in here though.
The lettering on this side's even better.
It looks like the combine's filling the truck. Par for the course. Cab's still good though. Fall, roof, typical snow. Where's Austin when we need him?
Doors, there's nothing left of the doors. No, this one's pretty far gone. That back of the cab is great.